Okay, so tonight I'll be replacing this canvas on a toilet exhaust. As you can see, the canvas is pretty severely damaged. I'm actually got a late start on this. I wanted to start at 6 and now it's already 7 p.m. It's all right, I still got 3 hours left of my shift, so I should be able to get this all knocked out. But hopefully it doesn't take any more than 3 hours. That would be a little ridiculous just to change the canvas, but never know what could go wrong. The very first thing that I want to do, I want to remember where all these bolts are at. So I need to mark where these bolts are at. All of them. Because when I put that new canvas on, it's going to be very hard to see those existing bolt holes. Or screw holes, I'm sorry. Both sides. Also marking where the seams are at. The canvas is finished. Let's start the fan up. I want to see how this thing runs. Let's get a look at that city.